fun to shop and look and buy, but also it's a day out for all of us as family together.
I loved it.
Yeah, we loved it.
Yeah,
We enjoyed everything.
We just wanted ideas. We wanted to just see what's happening new and take home some shopping as well.
My highlight has been Kashmir, beautiful Kashmir. Everybody's so friendly, so helpful. I just think it's wonderful.
Really good value, really very much enjoyable, and I'm quite surprised that it's not so busy today on the Saturday. It's been very pleasant, very cool to walk around.
Yeah, really enjoying it so far. We've had a little look around, and we were here with little boys, so they had fun feeding the lambs and a little look around at the chickens and things. That's been really good. Yeah, just got some nice food as well.
Yeah, that was lovely.
I've seen like a lot of the people that I've bought things from before, which has been nice. Bought a few things that I've not discovered yet. We've done 2 courses as well. We did an art cuts course and a Annie Sloan painting workshop, which we've never done before. Just had great Indian street food. And now we're going to go and collect some lights my mum has purchased for her new house.
There's lots of things that you would never see on the high street, and things that are really different. That's the point of coming here, really, to see things that you would never normally see. And then people come to your house or see what you're wearing, and they're never going to be wearing the same or see the same in their house.